Schizophrenia is an epidemic in the world. Most patients are saying that none of the medications are working and they're even causing horrible side effects.
I have great news. Some people are saying that if you take the drug Ambien 10 to 20 milligrams 3 times a day, this will eliminate the symptoms all day.
Yes, this is true, but this is a problem because they are only prescribing Ambien to insomnia patients and not schizophrenia patients.
This is an awareness issue. If companies knew of the effectiveness of this drug for schizophrenia symptoms, they would be compelled to place this on the list for schizophrenia meds.
People who are aware of this are forced to get their medications by other means.
This doesn't have to be this way. If this information got into the right hands, this situation can be resolved.
This is very serious. Many people commit suicide because they simply cannot handle their illness.
Please help support of this awareness.
To hear stories on this matter and read more on the situation, please click blue link A Cure to Schizophrenia located under the video. Thanks.